white sugar is formulated perfectly to go right into your bloodstream. You know the feeling? The average American consumes almost 20 teaspoons of sugar per day. Can you believe that? Let's break it down. It's about equal to a serving of jelly beans plus 9 Hershey Kisses plus a couple of Hershey double stuffed Oreos plus a couple of brownies. Oh. Can you believe it? Refined sugar has crept into our food supply in astonishing numbers. Up to 75% of packaged foods, including breakfast cereals, granola bars, flavored yogurts, soups and breads, even condiments, contain added sugars, causing you to take in, whether you're having dessert or not, way too much sugar. The problem is this sugar, what many refer to as white death, has dangerous effects for multiple sclerosis. Scientifically, refined sugar intake led to increased levels of the immune cell type Th17. Th17 cells are a major driver of MS. So, obviously, it's not good. Hey, it's Steve. Nowhere in nature do we find fructose or glucose by themselves. But the sugar story is not doom gloom, believe me. There is a nice Dr. Jekyll answer to the evil Mr. Hyde monster. Natural sugars are found in foods like yogurt, milk, and fruits, and they don't lead to the same health problems that refined sugars do. What makes natural sugars so safe is they always are not accompanied by themselves and contain natural, healthy vitamins and minerals. And the big savior of it all, fiber. There isn't a definitely established ratio, but general guidelines are for a 2,500 kcal diet like me, it's best to limit refined sugar to 50 to 60 grams and to take in a range from anywhere between 10 grams to 25 grams of soluble and insoluble dietary fiber. So let me show you my numbers. Take a look at them. I eat the same thing every day. So this is exactly how I'm defined. Overall, I consume 191 grams of carbs daily. But factoring in what I just told you about everything, 68 grams is all natural sugar. Then comes the number that I pride myself on. 27 grams of dietary fiber. For me, this ratio kills any hunger I might have throughout the day. I laugh at people who are baffled and can't understand how I can thrive on eating just one meal a day. They still believe you need to eat every few hours to stabilize your blood sugar. But once you harness your diet and stabilize everything, your blood sugar will become locked in stone, never fluctuating, It will strengthen your gut-brain connection and reduce the inflammation, aka Th17 cells, that drove the development of MS in the first place. Do you know your sugar numbers? Hopefully, your OMAD lifestyle is set in stone now. Do you know your numbers exactly? Has stabilizing your OMAD lifestyle shown you any benefits yet? Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one,